back to my channel. So today is a super impromptu video because I wanted to show you this wig that I just got. So I got it yesterday. It came in the mail. I got it off Amazon. I will post a link in the description box down below. No, I am not an affiliate. I don't have enough followers for that. I don't get any kickback from that link. Just figured I would share it with you guys since it's how I found it. But this wig is the sensational textured half wig in the style Boss Babe, the color 1B30. This to me looks like a 20, almost like a 27, not quite a 30, but anyway, it's the Curls, Kinks & Co. wig. I picked this up and it says for all curl types from 3B to 4C, which I was like living for that. We love that, you know, to really bring like more realistic looks to wigs and more natural looks for natural girls. Love that. So the texture itself is amazing. It is beautiful. It feels natural. It feels like natural hair. It feels like a blowout. That's what it feels like. The movement is so incredibly realistic. I wore this all day yesterday. Like, it just looks like natural hair. I can show you what it looks like from the back. It's very, very realistic looking, and I really do love the wig. However, I am a girl who has more thinner, fine hair, and those rough combs on the front of your hair says I'm not about it. And so I just put a headband on, you know, to give it like the headband look. But my thing is, it's like, here's my head, and then it's like bloop, the wig, and I don't like that at all. So I figured while I was on here, I wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like. I just have a braid kind of across my crown here. What I wanted to show you guys is I'm going to be remaking over this wig. I used to do this all the time, even before I had a channel, which I should have been doing it back then, but anyway. So I'm going to be putting bangs in this wig because I feel like it would be so cute. And so the way I kind of looked at it at first was I had, okay, so I took, that's how they do bangs. So how wide I want my bangs. So I'm gonna start about here and create a triangle. I'm looking in the mirror here, so that's why you don't, I'm looking off to the side here. Okay, so I created a triangle of hair. And now I'm not gonna worry about any of this hair back here. So here's what we're working with right here now, because I'm not gonna use this much, but I just took some hair like this and I flipped it under, and then I just kind of like stuck it on my forehead with the hair out, and I was like, okay, I think this will be really cute with bangs. And so that's how I was able to kind of figure it out. So it was about back here earlier, and now I have it pull all the way up to the front, and I'm going to take some of this hair. Here, this is too thick of a bang. Let's go use my fingers. And little by little, just kind of put some hair back. So I'm gonna try, see right now you can just see the tracks, right? We don't want that for our bangs, right? So I'm gonna pull a little bit. Okay, so now I got it where it's like between the tracks, so you can't see the tracks. And honestly, it's not gonna matter too much, but anyway. Okay, so we're gonna start here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take a blow dryer to this, just so that we can like establish that this is our new part. So let me just go ahead and grab my blow dryer real quick and get that part done, and then we'll go on to the next step. So here I am just clipping the hair, one on each side, just because it keeps the hair in place, and I'm just using the nozzle of the blow dryer to really press down that hairline so it's nice and flat. The only reason why I'm using hair cutting scissors is because they're old. I would not recommend using your nice quality hair cutting scissors on synthetic hair. It's going to just make them dull. So feel free to use a pair of sharp, you know, craft scissors for synthetic hair. I also have a razor comb. I love these things. They really help to make the ends of the hair look nice and natural. Something I want to mention about this wig, the shine is like non-existent. It's amazing. It looks so natural. So okay, let's get started. So again, I'm going to clip the hair in place, and we just want to keep it kind of even. I'm measuring it to my chin, and then we're going to go ahead and cut it off at that length. And then I'm going to move the clips up And the reason why I'm kind of doing this extra step is that it's kind of easy to get kind of twisted on the actual length of the hair. So cutting it in those 3 stages or 2 stages first really helps to kind of get your eye right to balance everything. Make sure you're standing up straight also when you cut the bangs. So next here, I am just making sure that the hair is heat safe. It didn't say on the package, but as you can see, I just took some pieces of the like clipped pieces and used my flat iron, and it is perfectly fine, no burning. So I measured my bangs to right below where my eyes are, and I just started using the razor comb. This really gives the edges of the bangs a nice natural kind of end, so it doesn't look so blunt. And that's like, scissors kind of make it look blunt, so you really don't want that here. So I'm just kind of razor cutting some little side pieces to frame the face. As you can see, I'm now using my flat iron to bump the ends of the bangs because you don't want them to be straight. But as you can see, that measuring underneath the eye and then giving those bangs a bump really gave them like the perfect height or length for my eyes. Like, it just worked out really well. I'm just giving the side pieces here a bit of shape. And this one here kind of turned out a little bit jacked up, but that's okay. Now, I know y'all are seeing this pricey. She done messed up. Now, I just need to trim this hair to go down. And yes, it does look like it's messed up, but trust me guys, it will not look like this when we're done. So I just kind of fixed those little bits right there, went in, razor cut some more pieces where I needed to, and now I'm giving myself some longer framing pieces because I don't want it to be just short bangs like that. So I took some hair, and then starting from where the longest piece is, I started there and then kind of razor cut the length, but still kind of keeping the length, so just kind of thinned it out, so that way it's really framing my face. And you'll see in the end result how that looks. It looks really cute. This is sweet. If you don't have a razor comb, that's how you can cut. Just kind of graze the hair along the blades. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to flatten out these bangs. So first of all, I sprayed the hairline there. I put a little bit of heat on it. That didn't really do anything, but we're going to put the scarf on. Now I do want to tell you guys, this is not the only thing that worked. I did this and it did help a lot, but then I also went back with the flat iron and literally took the wig off my head and flattened it like where the bang is, put the flat iron right there and pressed it down, and that really helped to flatten the bangs out a lot more. But you can see at this stage, we're looking at what the final product will look like. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll come back to show you guys the final result once everything is styled. All that good stuff. I mean, it even looks cute like this though, the little scarf. So, I mean, it's at, like, I feel like the bangs are at a good length. What do you guys think? And here's the final result, guys. This is giving like some straight up 90s Babysitters Club or like Scooby-Doo or something. Like, I don't even know. It's so cute, and it's super versatile. I can put it up in a bun with the cute little bangs out and a headband for work. It's just, I don't even know, guys. I love it. I'm in love. If you like this video, go ahead and hit it with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my new videos. You can check out 2 of my other videos right here. And until next time, sending you guys all my hugs and my love. Bye.